Alright, one-sided limits. The Heaviside function H is defined by H of t, which equals 0 if t is less than 0, 1 if t is greater than or equal to 0. This function is named after the electrical engineer Oliver Heaviside and can be used to describe an electrical current that is switched on at time t equals 0. As t approaches 0 from the left, so it's the left hand side, it approaches 0. And as t approaches 0 from the right hand side, it approaches 1. So 1, 0. There is no single number that ht approaches as t approaches 0. Therefore, the limit t, ht does not exist. So the limit does not exist. We notice as ht approaches 0, as t approaches 0 from the left, and as ht approaches 1, as t approaches from the right hand side, we indicate that this situation symbolically by writing. And so this is pretty important because we learn what it means to have a left hand side of a limit and what it means to have a right side of a limit. So this means this little negative sign that looks like on top, a little dash you could say, means going from the left hand side. And so that would be equal to, if it's coming from the left, what it's going to equal to? 0, right? And so what happens if our limit t approaches from the right side? It's going to look like this, symbolically, plus sign. And so what is that equal to? The solid dot right here, which is 1. So that's what these limits approach from each side. And what happens if our limit, we want to find the limit like this? Like I said earlier, that it does not exist.